What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So as you probably know by now, I reached my goal of 20,000 XRP, and I'm done buying XRP right now. I have over $10,000 worth of XRP, and I'm well on my way to hopefully becoming an XRP millionaire, but not banking on it, right? I'm looking to gain quite a bit from it. But in this video, I received a bunch of comments within my last live stream as well as my last couple of videos talking about, what the price is going to be, what my highest price prediction of 2024 will be. And honestly, this made me think about it. Like, what is the lowest and highest price prediction for XRP in 2024? Because when I think about it, I'm like, all I really want to see is some improvement when it comes to the SEC, the Ripple versus SEC drama that's going on there. I want to see some improvement in the price, seeing it just get up to a simple maybe $5 or $10 worth of a price. But what do others really see it as the high end or the low end, where people see it's going to get to? Now, I would like to know some explanations behind these, but you really don't have them. So I'll give you my explanation because I did ask Grok what is the highest and what is the lowest price prediction. And they spit out an answer. Typically, they always spit out some sort of generic response where it's like, well, we can't really give out price information or anything like that, but it's great to be able to see some sort of numbers come out of it. Do I take it all with a grain of salt? Yes, I absolutely do. And I think you need to as well. I want them to be open and honest and, put out all the information and not have a simple response or not have a response that's going to kind of look to protect the AI chatbot in a large way or the company behind it. The AI chatbot should be able to answer whatever they see that is on the internet, not just saying, oh, well, it's speculative, or you have to make sure that you don't ask the AI chatbot to give you anything related to price information. So it's good to see that you have some sort of prices. That's an A plus in my book when it comes to Grok. So let's talk about this, right? Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to start trading XRP, you want to start with $100, but maybe trade $500 worth while trading 100, you can leverage trade. You can do 5x leverage trading if you want to. I know that there is a large risk to leverage trading, but if you know what you're doing when it comes to short-term trading and making money and finding the bottoms or tops, you can easily make a bunch of money out of this by not spending as much money. So go ahead and check out my leverage trading platform that I use, which is Margex, and let me know if you do like the platform. But anyways, like I said, I hit 20,000 XRP. You're going to see here as my top position that I'm holding, $10,615 or 20,427 XRP total. Yes, we are seeing a little bit of a rise in XRP today. It's up by about 2.2%, maybe even a little bit more at this point. But definitely seeing a decent size rise. I would love to see it get back up to 60 and 70 and 80 and 90 cents, but we're not there right now. But the point is that with this comes a lot of price predictions. And while my price predictions may be swinging depending on what time frame we're talking about, my overall price prediction and my different levels that I want to sell at, I talk about all of those and where it's going to get to. But what about 2024? Where do I believe it's going to go? I'll talk about exactly where I believe it's going to go and what I've mentioned in the past, and also talk about this prediction. But I decided to ask Grok. I decided to go over here and ask Grok, hey, what's the highest and lowest price prediction for XRP? And it came back with a response, which is always great. According to the information from various sources, the highest price prediction for XRP in 2024 is $32, while the lowest price prediction is 13 cents. It is important to keep in mind that these price predictions are speculative and subject to change based on various factors such as market conditions and developments in the cryptocurrency space. So what do I like about that response? One, it's short, sweet, and to the point. Two, it gives you what you asked for, the highest and lowest. Seeing $32 as the highest price prediction that is out there, I can understand where that's coming from, right? That's with all positives that are really leaning towards Ripple's way, right? If Ripple versus the SEC ends up going in their way, $32 does seem like it's a good price point. As you see, further development when it comes to XRP being implemented within banks, yes, $32 could be that price point. But that's if you see all of these things that are implemented within this year and things that are happening there. I don't typically see that, right? I'm on the lower end when it comes to $5 to $10. That's where I'm kind of leaning towards as you see more bullish momentum that happens within the markets. But the whole lowest level of being 13 cents, I don't see that at all. There's no way that I see it get down to that point. And I can tell you how I said I'm done buying XRP. If it finds a way to go down to 13 cents, know that I'm not in it just to sell right now. I'm not in it just to sell, in the next month or 2 months, right? I'm in it to win it. I'm in it in the end because I know what XRP can be worth and will be worth, right? And will be used for. So if it gets down to 13 cents, there has to be a large reason as to why I wouldn't jump into this with even more, because 13 cents will be a no-brainer for me to buy a boatload more and absolutely load up on this play until we see it absolutely explode. I don't see 13 cents happening. However, there's people out there that predict this. So I'm closer to the range of, that level of 32 cents. But if you look at it at a halfway point, I'm technically with $5 to $10, I'm technically closer to 13 cents. So I'm closer to more of the bearish area, but I'm in the middle, right? I believe that it's going to go far, but it's a short time period to say, this is going to go from 52 cents to $32, which honestly, if we looked at the breakdown and we understood that it was at $30, or we can either round up or round down, and it's at $30, that would be a $1 trillion market cap at a level of $30 where we currently stand, meaning that it would have to have a lot implemented to it and a really, really large use case in order to do that. Obviously, $35 would get you closer to about 2 trillion. So yes, you need a lot to happen in order for that to happen. Again, I'm looking for a $10 price point. I'm looking for a $20 price point. I'm looking at these levels to say that this is going to happen, right? Which would be a 500 billion dollar market cap, or a $1 trillion market cap, something like that, right? That's where, yes, you're still going to need to see massive use case. You're still going to see massive things that are happening for it and with it. But it's not as much as you seeing a level of 30 or 35 or even $40. So it's good to see, right? Having any type of predictions out there that say it's going to get to $32 is great. If we look at where the price is for XRP right now, it's currently sitting at 52 cents. I was going to say $2. That would have been great. But it's sitting at about 52.5 cents. It is up 3 or 4% on the day, and we're seeing it at a $28.5 billion market cap with about $1 billion worth of volume. So I'm excited for what XRP can be. Let me know what you think about this price prediction. XRP to $32 in 2024. Do you feel as though that is the case, or do you feel as though it's going to be worth nothing, right? I want to know, or in between, right? You don't want to have the major extremes and not have something in between. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.